Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert an image into a text box in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that insert an image into a text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for the drawing option. Now click for image option. Now click for browse option. Then choose image. Now for open. Then show, insert the image, this image into a text box. Now click for the text box option. Now create a text box. This text box is from the text. This text is a color. Now then choose color and the size. That's it. Now select from the text. Now click on the highlight color. That is. Now click on the save and close option. That's it. Then issue insert an image into a text box in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.